Video 10 of the Gasoline 2019 Excel Workbook series here. Analyzing gasoline prices in a variety of ways and creating charts using Excel. So before we begin, at the conclusion of video 9, you went through and analyzed a trip, created some bar charts, column charts to analyze that information. And so as we start to come to the end of this exploration of gasoline prices, what you'll first want to do is take a look at this Western States worksheet and make sure you have all these values that we have listed here for our selected 12 states of the West. And so we have them updated through October 1st, and you will want to pause this and make sure you have all of these values, and then once you have that, go ahead and get your formulas copied for the mean, median, min, and max. So you can go ahead and freeze the Western states. And then when you have those, go ahead and head over to the Klamath Falls prices. And we also have those updated through October 1st. And I will make that zoomed out just enough so you can see it and copy those formulas. And you can freeze that screen and make sure those numbers are up to date. And that will be the conclusion of video 10, getting the numbers updated for Klamath Falls prices and the Western states.